Yes, Mr. Chair, but we also submitted top 20 importations of the top 20 importers of rice
This
for
year.
2024,
Okay, sige.
covering the periods of January to first week of December.
Sige, Comsec, can we please request also printout? Yes, my apologies, Deputy Speaker JJ Suarez.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chairman, just to BPI, earlier nung I asked a question to them, I asked them if they check kung sino po yung bumubuo ng mga kumpanyang nag-a-apply sa inyo at sinabi nyo sa akin hindi. Also, when companies come to you seeking for permits, do you also check on their financial capability?
Sir, there's an accreditation team po na nagche-check po doon.
Yes or no lang?
At chinecheck naman po, sir. Chinecheck po.
Kasi nagtataka lang ako nung tinitingnan po namin tong mga largest importers natin ng largest importers natin ng rice. Let's say for example, Horizon. Ang subscribed capital nila 1 million pesos lang. Kasi lang kung titignan mo naman po yung ipinasok nilang bigas, aabot ng value in Philippine peso 5.9 B. So that's around 205 million kilograms. So can you explain to me, Director Glenn, how do you assess when a company with a subscribed capital of 1 million pesos is given a permit to import this amount of rice?
Yes, Director Glenn.
Does it make sense, huh?
Sir, again, there is an accreditation process nga po na ginagawa with us sa BPI bago sila mabigyan ng license to operate. And sir, ang main mandate po talaga ng BPI is yung sanitary and phytosanitary concerns and food safety. So sir, regarding doon sa we may not have the expertise to assess kung anong kakayahan nila. Pero wala naman po kaming nakita sa kanilang mga documentation na non-compliant sa aming mandato sa ngayon, sir.
Mr. Chairman, I think we should review the policy of BPI on that matter. Kasi kung magbibigay tayo ng kapangyarihan o karapatan sa isang tao, sisiguraduhin natin may kakayahan siya. At ang kakayahan nun, magbabase sa mga papeles na isusumiti niya. 'Di ba? Parang bibili ka ng sasakyan. The dealer just won't sell you the car. You have to make sure that you have the bank records, etc., licenses, etc., etc. But it seems, dito sa BPI, parang hindi yata sumusunod sa mga ganung patakaran. Kasi ang hindi ko maintindihan, nung iniisa-isa po natin itong mga kumpanya na nakakapagpasok ng sobrang daming toneladang bigas, ang subscribed capital po nila ay 1 milyong piso lamang. Hindi po ba nakakapagtaka yun, Director Glenn?
Yes, Director Glenn.
Sir, again, maaari nga po, nakakapagtaka po yun kung ganun. Kundi, ang amin lang po ay, ang aming main mandate, sir, is really yung sanitary and phytosanitary concerns and food safety. So, sir,
wait, okay,
Yes,
answer me one question. Yung bang mga importers natin makakapagpasok ng bigas without your permit? Yes or no?
sir, ideally, dapat meron pong SPSIC. So, hindi po sila pwede magpasok ng imported na bigas.
There. Then, tapos. Hindi sila makakapagpasok kung hindi dadaan sa'yo. So, ikaw ang gatekeeper. Kasi sa'yo nag-emanate lahat ng permit. So, hindi po ba nakakapagtaka? Ang tanong ko ulit, Direktor, hindi po ba nakakapagtaka na itong mga kumpanya na nakakapagpapasok ng tuneladang mga bigas ay mukhang financially incapable? And yet, you issue permits to them. Now, how are we even sure that the individuals representing these companies on paper are actually real and true? Do you actually even go through that process, Director Glenn?
Yes sir, kasama naman po sa pag-accredit sa kanila sir mismo yung pagpunta sa warehouses.
So may screening ka.
Opo.
So nakikita mo sila, nakakausap mo sila.
Ako po mismo, hindi po ako. Hindi po ako nakikipag-usap.
So kung may screening process kayo at may warehouse checking kayo at kung ano pang kakayahan, o di makikita nyo na ang kapital nito 1 milyon lang. Yun ang nakasulat sa papel eh. Kasi kung, I don't know Mr. Chair, but you know, if I was a company to import 5 billion pesos worth of rice, I think my capital should be a little bit of the same amount. Does it make sense? So I'm just trying to make sense of this, Director Glenn. Baka pwede mo akong matulungan.
Chair.
Yes.
Chair.
Thank you.
Justice.
Yes, before I recognize, I just like to inform the Honorable Deputy Speaker J.J. Suarez that Horizon is not with us today, but we had extended an invitation. Unfortunately, they chose not to appear today, and there is no representative for Horizon. So, may I solicit a...
I move, Mr. Chairman, that we issue a show cause order to the individuals who incorporate Horizon Company, Mr. Chair. So move.
Any objections? There being none, motion is approved. The committee secretary is hereby directed to issue a show cause order to Horizon, to any member of Horizon.
Saka, Mr. Yeah.
Yes, there's a quick query, I think lang from Kong Mark Coangco.
Just a short comment for Congressman JJ. Yeah, I'm observing that the license serves as a guarantee to financial institutions. If you get a license, you can borrow the money to import the rice. So that is the privilege being granted by being granted a license. Even if your capital is small, you can do it.
Mr. Chair, if
Yes.
just with the indulgence of
Yes.
Congressman Suarez and Congressman
Sige,
Carapes,
briefly, Kong Ace, then
Yeah,
to be
in
followed
li-
by the Honorable
just a
Carapes
short
Bataan.
question in line dun sa question ni Congressman Suarez. Kasi sinasabi ni Director Glenn Panganiban kanina that yung SPSIC, yun yung last what do you call this requirement for an importer to be able to import. Is that correct?
Yung SPSIC po, and then pag na-kompleto rin po yung requirement na nakasaad doon sa SPSIC, like phytosanitary certification from the country
So
of
wala, ang BPI is not in any way in charge of issuing permit to their choice importer. Wala kayong kinalaman doon. Sabi mo kasi kanina, merong accreditation. And sino tong accreditation team na to?
Apo, Mr. Chairman, if I may.
Yes, please, Director Glenn.
Ang nagbibigay po o nagre-recommend nung ating accreditation is yung National Plant Quarantine Service.
So you are not in this accreditation
Apo.
team. You're not there. Okay, sige. Thank you.
Pero they are
Thank you,
the
Mr.
ones, sir, that recommends po.
Yes, thank you very much. Kong Carapes Paduano.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. And before I proceed with some of my queries, Mr. Chairman, and requirements now being requested few hours ago. Mr. Chairman, ganito lang po. Kasi tama po ang possible theory of the good Congressman Cuangco. But ang medyo problema po dito, because for example, eto na ngayon, eto official record, but of course, it does not reconcile with the records of custom yung January to December. For example, Mr. Chairman, in the case of yung biggest, Horizon, no? Horizon. Yung stock capital is only 1 million. But as per record, 190,000. 999.45 metric tons, no? Pinasok ng Horizon with only 1 million stock capital. Now, but in the case of River Valley Distribution Incorporated, yung ipinasok nila 140 lang, pero yung stock capital is 6,250,000. Bakit ganun? And so on and so forth, marami po to. Bakit ganun? Parang favored tong Horizon na to.
Yes, Director Glenn.
Di ba? Lahat naman sila nakapasa.
Apo, sir.
Oh,
Sir, actually, yung sa favor po, hindi ko po alam kung...
no. Kayo nag-issue ng permits, di ba?
Apo, sir, kasi online po yan, sir.
Hindi
ko po,
whatever,
sir-
but of course, you don't check. You said a while ago when you were asked by Chairman Acop, yung unang tanong mo hindi nyo sinecheck. But binago mo ang statement
And then,
mo.
sir, for every application...
Patapusin mo muna ako.
Sorry.
Yes,
You
Director Glenn,
wait
please.
to be recognized.
Direct Glenn, yes. Can we please allow our members to first finish before you
Ikaw,
are
last Congress ka pa. Ito Chairman, ang hindi ko maintindihan, again, no, yung ibang applicants or importers, napakalaki ng stock capital. Pero yung Horizon, which is only 1 million, kanina nga, chinek ko, nakalimutan ko lang, RBS ata, o yung si ma'am kanina na taga-Iligan, nandito pa ba siya? I do believe, more than 20 million. Yung sa kanya, 27.5 ata. Million. Oh, why does it so? Direktor Pangiliban, bakit po? Ganon. Kayo po nagbibigay ng kota, di ba? Who gives the quota?
Yes. Okay. Now, Director Glenn, may we get a response?
Sir, una po, sir, wala pong quota. Wala pong quantity na kinokota ang BPI, sir. It's an open importation po. That's why hindi po natin ito pwedeng bigyan ng quantity kung ilan po ang ibibigay kung kanino at kung saan.
So, walang
Sorry,
control?
sir.
Ibig sabihin, walang control? May target tayo na di ba? Dapat, ito yung consumption, projected consumption, ito lang yung importation dapat na mangyari. Ito yung stocks natin sa local. O who gives the actual amount o actual volume? Wala?
Yes,
Sir, again, ano po siya? Open po ang importation.
Hindi nga
Literal
Ang
po
tanong
yun.
ko nga, who? Pwede ba umabot tayo more than the projected consumption and the allowable importation for that year? Di ba dapat may projected tayo, Mr. Chairman?
Yes, Direct.
Di ba?
Direct Glenn.
Sir, again po, sa pag-i-issue po ng SPSIC, wala po tayo, sir, quantity na nililimit, sir. Dahil po nasa batas po yun na wala po
Hindi, pero ang tanong ko,
restriction.
Mr. Director Glenn Panginiban, what if, dahil wala kayong quota, what if kung it goes beyond with the projected consumption? Or short? Oh. Wala bang control ang gobyerno? DA.
Mr. Chair?
Yes, Yusek, please.
Sir, yung original RTL, wala na, tinanggal na kasi yung quantitative restriction, so open. But for this amendment ng RTL, there's doon sa na-submit na enrolled na, ewan ko, kung hindi ko alam, sir, kung nabibito or what, may power ang president if there's an oversupply of import or may mga yung may problem on the prices as well as the supply due to over-importation. Ngayon, meron na the president can order stoppage of import. Pero before, sir, wala siyang...
Hindi, Yusek, you are not answering my query. Kasi every year may projected tayo, di ba? Na consumption of rice.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ito yung local natin, projected din na local produce
Yes, sir.
rice.
Yes.
Ito yung supposedly for importation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, who controls the importation?
We cannot,
Kung walang quota.
sir, we cannot control yung import.
So, it goes beyond with the consumption or short of the consumption?
Yes, sir.
Oh, may problema tayo.
Sir, pero yung amendment
No. That is now the law. That is now the amended law. Previously, wala.
wala, sir, pero hindi naman siya nangyari na ano tawag ito?
na kinulang. Usually, we are over doon sa demand natin.
Over sa demand.
Yes, sir.
Eh, ba't ang presyo hindi mo bababa? Kung law of supply and demand susundan natin. Di ba? Eh, binagsak pa natin yung tariff. Worst is, kung yun yung logic nyo, yun yung explanation nyo, walang control, eh di much more. So sobra ka na nga, binagsak mo pa yung tariff, ng lalaki, hindi naman bumababa yung market price.
Mr. Chair, that's why the DA requested yun sa amendment ng RTL para magkaroon ng intervention ng government if magkakaroon ng oversupply of importation.
Director Glenn, ito yung record nyo for 2024, ang lahat na nag-import is 199 companies. Dumaan to lahat sa inyo?
So, Chairman,
Yes, please
sir, pwede pong
respond.
i-check. Sir, pwede i-check ko muna yung data. Kasi hindi ko po alam kung ano po ang hawak ni Congressman.
Okay, Concaraps.
Okay. Pero yung hawak kong data, January to October lang po is 199 companies, importers. Now, big sabihin nito, dumaan sa customs, doon pumasok because of the accreditation ng BPI. Tama? Di ba? Tama?
Yes, Director Glenn.
Sir, again, hindi ko po nakita yung list, but kung ito po ay dumaan formally to
You
the
check your
Bureau of
record na
Apo.
for this year.
Yes, sige, please check, Director.
Sa customs to 2024, ilang companies bang pumasok?
Yes, before I recognize Commissioner Bien, Concaraps, your time has lapsed. May we request that
Chairman,
yes,
okay, Chairman, anyway, hintayin ko lang yung sagot. Pero,
Yes, sige.
Chairman, can I ask lang doon sa mga requirements na hiningi natin kanina? For example, ano na ngayon, DTI, ano na ba yung yung latest development doon sa Iligan? Is it true?
Yes, sige, DTI.
Mr. Chair, we received report that yes, they're selling rice at 36 pesos per kilo for the
30?
36 pesos per kilo.
36? Oh,
Yes.
kita mo, pwede pala.
Pero Mr. Chair, meron din pong iba na 40, 42.
Of course, but ang sinasabi ko lang, maybe that's 25% or 15%, di ba? Ng, di ba?
From Myanmar.
Oh,
Mr.
di
Chair.
ba? But sinasabi ko lang na itong si Iligan, which has a 27.5 billion stock capital, nag-import dito, mas malaki pa yung iba, pero yung price dun sa baba, mismo dun sa store niya, is 36. Tama? Di ba? Okay. Now, yung sa River Valley, umalis na?
Yes, Concaraps.
Si King Bisan.
Yes, sir, pwede po kayo
King B.
dito? The owner of King B.
King B, now, you were asked 2 hours ago about your profit.
Your Honor, sorry, we haven't compute yet.
Ha?
Di pa po nako-compute. Your Honor.
Eh, 2023.
Hiningi na po sa secretary po.
Wala.
Ano po, Your Honor?
Baka hindi, bumayad ba kayo sa BIR?
May bayad po, Your Honor. May bayad
Oh,
po.
now, your profit, hindi mo pa rin malaman.
Inaayos po, Your Honor. Inaayos na po.
Anong inayos?
Sa 2023,
Oh, I will give you 1 hour, ha? Kasi hindi pa kami mag-suspend.
sa 2023 po kasi, wala kami pang import ng bigay, sir. Wala kami transaction.
Pero alam mo, permit mo from 2022 to
No
2024.
operation po yun, Your Honor.
Oh, no operation. Pero sinabi mo nga, di ba? You're buying rice?
Nagkamali lang po. Local po, nagkamali po ako sagot kanina, Your Honor.
Ano?
Nagkamali lang po ako ng sagot, Your Honor, kanina.
O di, 1 hour, ha? Produce mo yan.
I will try po, Your Honor. I will try po.
Ano?
I will try my best po, Your Honor. Na
Ay,
matapos.
Huwag tayo dito maglukuhan. Akala nyo pwede kayong lalaro dito sa amin?
Sir, anyway, 1 hour.
You produce it in 1 hour.
Hintayin po namin yon. So, 6:05 po ngayon. Magche-check po kami ng 7:05.
I will try po, Your Honor.
Yung
Ah,
representative,
oh,
Mr. Chairman, yung
sige.
representative ng ni Stewart Santiago, nandito kanina, di ba? Sana siya? Yung attorney,
Mr. Carl,
Mr.
yes,
Eric?
may we request the page to please locate representative of Davao Solar, Best Food.
Anyway, tayo natin, Mr. Chairman. Kasi baka umuwi na hindi nagpaalam. Tapos, Mr. Chairman, yung sa customs, you mentioned about smugglers, pwede pagbigyan kita bukas na sa executive session na lang.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay?
About the importers, Your Honor, for year to date, 2024, 211 in all categories. But if you filter out rice husks or seeds, it's about 188
188.
companies. Your
Okay.
Honor.
So may listahan tayo, lahat kompleto.
Yes, Your
Oh,
Honor.
sige. Okay.
Yes.
Bukas.
O, yun,
Bukas
thank
na lang
you.
po.
Oo, para
Yeah, yeah.
executive session na lang better.
Yung sa PCC, nandito ba
ah,
taga PCC?
Yes, nandiyan pa.
Nandito, Mr. Chair.
Sir, you mentioned about case build-up kanina. Correct? You're doing a case build-up,
Yes,
and
Chair.
that's on record. Now,
Yes,
what, can you enlighten us? What's that case build-up?
Yes, Mr. Chair, based on, for example, news and monitoring of prices, there's a reason for us to believe that there's something wrong in the market.
Correct.
So,
Lahat naman
yes,
established na yan. Kahit si Juan de la Cruz, alam niya na eh.
Yes.
Di ba?
So, ang theories of harm, Mr. Chair, na during our investigation is, yun nga, which is the same sa mga hinala na nyo, na may collusion po. Kailang yung collusion doon sa, for example, sa importers, wholesalers, or dealers, yun po yung sa ngayon po, pinuprove namin na dapat may ebidensya kami, solid evidence na mag-stand po sa court. Kasi sayang yun po yung effort namin na mag-file ng case tapos hindi naman solid yung ebidensya namin tapos ma-dismiss lang din sa korte, Kong. So that's why sa case build-up, dapat may ebidensya kami dun sa mga nagkukulyud sa merkado po.
Sir, so you're building a case now. Kailan po nagsimula?
Actually, since we started, for example, conducting a study since 2018,
Oh, until now, wala kayong puro case build-up lang for the past 6 years. Medyo may problema tayo dyan. PCC.
mahirap po.
When did you assume?
2016.
16 ka ba?
2017.
Sorry?
2017 po.
2017. So you started case build-up 2018. Now is 2024. That was 6 years ago. Until now, there's no case being filed. O anong... Mr. Chairman, medyo may problema tayo dito.
Sa ibang agri-products naman po, nakapag-file na naman po na kami ng case po.
Hindi, pero sa sugar, sa rice,
Yun po yung medyo mailap po yung ebidensya tungkol sa collusion po.
anong some other agri-products?
Yung sa onion po, nag-file na po kami ng case doon sa...
Kailan yung filing nyo ng case?
I think 3 months ago,
3 months ago.
Mr. Chair.
Result of the investigation being made by the Committee on Agriculture.
Yes, tapos nag-down raid po kami, nag-raid po ng mga office at saka storage facilities po ng
so-
respondents.
As part of your regulatory powers, you have the power to conduct raids?
Yes, Kong, pero kailangan namin po mag-secure ng clearance or
Clearance from
clearance
where?
from the court po.
From the court.
Kaya
Of course.
kailangan namin ng case build-up na may ebidensya na meron kaming kaso sa isang entity kasi otherwise hindi po kami bibigyan ng inspection order po ng korte po.
O, di mga investigador niyo sa baba. Di ba? May mga investigador ba kayo? O wala kayo ng tao?
Meron po kaming investigation agent sa Kong Kaya lang yun nga, sa dami ng mga kaso, nga, kulang talaga po sa, sa manpower po.
O di, daming kaso. Anyway, wala pa nga kayong na-file na kaso sa RICE. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, can we ask the PNP? Can we invite the PNP?
So we have
Ah.
a representative from the Philippine National
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
May mga coordination ba na nangyayari dun sa, particularly dito sa smuggling of rice?
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, I have my data here, but
Please, anong assignment mo? And please,
I am assigned with the Directorate for Investigation and Detective Management, sir. The IDM po, sir. So we have on our record, sir, actually we have operations conducted jointly, sir, for Anti-Agricultural Smuggling Act or the RA 10845, sir. We have 8. But
8 for the, anong taon yan? 2024?
the duration is January 1, 2019 to November 2024, sir. And for the tariff and custom law, sir, we have 144.
44 since
Yes, sir.
2019.
Yes, sir.
Ano yan? Naka-coordinate yan sa customs? Naka-coordinate sa DA?
These are all jointly conducted operations, sir, with the concerned agencies, sir.
Mga agencies?
Custom, sir. Mostly, sir, custom, sir.
Yung PCC, di pa nag-coordinate sa inyo to help them build up a case?
I'm not certain lang, sir, kung we'll try to, sir.
Oh,
to-
PCC. You coordinate with the Philippine National Police para mabilis yung build up nyo ng case. Para sa investigation and intel gathering. Pwede ba yon PCC?
Yes, Kong, pwede, Kong. Actually, doon sa Onion, nakahingi kami ng tulong sa NBI. Pero sa PNP po, siguro, mahingi po rin kami ng tulong po. Salamat po.
Chairman, last na lang. Kasi gustong magsalita kanina ni Mr. yung representative ng Davao Solar.
Yes, Mr. Carl.
Mr. Chair, regarding lang po kanina yung sa SEC, registered po yung Davao Solar Best Corp. Then si Nansto po dahil wala po siyang SEC kasi sole proprietor po siya. DTI registered naman po.
Yes, can we get a confirmation? Ma'am, meron na kayo? Sa DTI?
Sorry, Mr. Chair, what is the name of the company? We'll check po, parang wala pa sa namin.
Nansto Agri Traders. NANSTU Agri then Traders.
Mr. Chair, balikan ko po.
Yes, please.
Attorney, Chairman.
Yes.
So, attorney, you're representing two companies.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Not only solar.
Davao Solar and Nansto Agri.
So you're representing two companies. So you confirm that Nansto and Davao Solar is the president here is Stewart Santiago. You confirm?
Yes po, sir.
Ito, Chairman, may problema. Kasi yung solar, kay Stewart Santiago din, yung Nansto, sa kanya din. Checking on the records, nasa top 16. Pero yung record dyan, January to October. Walang, sinasabi ni Director Panginiban, walang quota, hindi wala silang control, wala everything. So may problema to. Di ba?
Yes.
So,
Mr.
Mr.
Carl,
Panginiban, do you allow this one? Na the same owner or importer applying to you? Two companies, one owner?
Sir, from the accreditation po namin, opo, na-allow po siya.
Wala kayong tawag dito? Hindi nyo ba you allowed it, no? Under your guidelines?
Sir, wala naman po sa guidelines, sir, na
And you're doing the guidelines. Di ba? Di ba?
Sa accreditation process po, meron po tayong prosesong
Oh,
sinusunod.
di doon pa lang, di ba dapat na-check nyo na to. Kaya nga, tingnan mo, top, yung nung non-sto, agri-traders, top 13. Yung isa, Davao Solar Best Corporation, number 16. A total of more than 150,000. Chairman, kung i-compute mo yung dalawa, more than 150,000 metric tons.
Maganda. Yes, Honorable Karaps, baka pwedeng makakomment ang PCC. Di ba
PCC.
napaka-dominant ng position nung dalawang kumpanya combined together?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Na-monitor na po namin yung top 20. So, yun nga yung
Since when, sir? Since when?
ang data po namin na actually galing dito sa Bureau of Custom. Since 2022 po na data hanggang ngayon.
Okay, so,
So-
they are monitored by PCC.
Yes po.
Okay.
Kailang tinitin, siyempre, kung yung...
Yes, understandable. But
Yung
yun lang,
dominant.
maganda naman
Ah.
na express nyo sa amin yung meron kayong ginagawa. Thank you. Yes,
Chairman, last
Honorable
na lang po,
Karaps.
can we direct the COMSEC to get documents from the Customs and BPI from 20, all reporters from 20, nandito sa akin, top 20, 16 to 2018. So, can we direct the COMSEC to have a copy of that from 2019 to 2023? Kasi yung available data dito is only 2024.
Yes,
Mr. Chairman.
yes. Is that a formal motion?
Yeah.
Yes.
So
There's
move, Mr. Chairman.
Any second? Any objections? There being none, motion is approved. The COMSEC is hereby directed.
Yeah, then, Mr. Chairman, can we also direct the Customs and the BPI with regards to records on that year, no? The actual arrival of importation of rice from the Bureau of Customs and records from the BPI.
Yes, Commissioner Bien, are you amenable to the request of the Honorable Paduan?
Yes, Mr. Chair. We will submit.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you.
Buong BPI, Mr. Chairman. Oh, kasi dapat mag-reconcile.
So, okay, Director Glenn?
Yes, sir. We will
Oh. Okay, sige. May I just ask, for the past 5 years, nagtugma ba kayo ng customs? O parati kayong
Sir,
nagkakaiba ng...
Sir, wala po naman kaming hawak na but we do share naman yung aming SPSICs.
Yes, I understand. Pero parati kayo, on a yearly basis, you will always balance out. Parehas kayo ng
most
ng
probably
ranking, listahan.
most probably nagtutugma naman, sir. But sorry, sir, hindi ko po nakikita yung listahan pa po ulit nila, sir.
Okay, anyway, maganda. I think this is something that delikado 'yon, yung Director Glenn, tsaka Commissioner Bien. Pag hindi kayo nagtutugma, medyo that's kind
Ito
of
na, Chairman, Mr. Chairman, ito na lang. Kasi ang binigay sa akin ni COMSEC is for the year 2024, January to December. Ito yung sa sa customs, 'di ba? Kayo may record ba kayo? Isang lang. Itong taon lang na 'to. January to December 2024, for example, BLY Agri. How much?
Sir, may I, Chairman?
Yes, please proceed, Director.
Sir, number 1 po is yung BLY Agri nga po. BLY Agri Venture Trading. 306,159.04 metric.
Tama ba 'to, customs? Parang hindi BLY daw, yung top sir. With 306.
As for our record, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, BLY AgriVenture is year to date, it's 248,000,
Oh,
Your Honor.
the difference of almost 60,000. Medyo may problema to. Kaya nga sinasabi ko, sabi kasi ni Director Glenn, nagtutugma. Isang lang to, isang company lang. How much more yung iba pa? I have the list of at least 199. It was confirmed. Hindi nagtutugma. Oh. May problema tayo dito, Mr. Chairman.
Yes.
And
Anyway,
this problem not only happens with regards to rice. This happens with onion, di ba? And well, in fact, this also, I'm really much sure this will also happen to the sugar. Kasi ngayon ang sugar, farm gate price goes down. Pero yung sa market, still the same. Kaya nga may problema tayo dyan, Mr. Chairman.
yes. Anyway, baka pwede, kung Karaps, can we request from data on the actual arrivals with total volume from 2020 to 2024? Gusto ko lang makita.
2019 po. 2019.
19. Para makita lang kung nagtutugma yung listahan nyo kasi problema yan, Kung I'm sure you agree with me, Commissioner Bien and ASCOM, Direct Glenn. Pagka hindi nagtutugma, no? Okay, thank you. With that, I just like to, maganda kasi yung point ni Deputy Speaker JJ Suarez, Director Glenn, earlier. Kasi yung SPC practically we are liberalized. So technically, wala tayong magagawa kundi to accept. Just like your, diba? That's the rationale, I think, of liberalization. But our line of defense is still the SPC. Diba? Tama ba ako, Direct Glenn?
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Okay. So, but it does, if we will put in more requirements, which is not too stringent, diba? Ano lang naman yung capacity. We're not violating any laws or the trade agreements, diba? Do you agree with me on that?
Sir, actually kasama naman po talaga
Yes,
sa guidelines.
qualification.
Apo.
Yeah.
Siguro po, kailangan lang
Pag gano'n, ang malakas ang kaya ninyo yun. You have that power. Diba? Hindi pwede tayo magbibigay naman sa questionable. On the guise na liberalize tayo, we cannot stop it. Pwede yun. So please give these committees, your recommendation, kung paano natin matatighten yung ganitong mga sitwasyon.
We will do, Mr.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Director Glenn. So with that, may we now